Hi. As a follow-up to your recent participation in the Are You an Elite Advisor quiz, I wanted to take a second and introduce myself, as well as provide you an idea of the additional resources that we are creating that should help you implement the framework in the Elite Advisor Playbook. I'm John Robinson. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Blueprint Investment Partners. Blueprint is an investment firm that is focused on serving advisors. And we do that by offering investment strategies and practice management services. As an extension of that, we developed the Elite Advisor Playbook and the Are You an Elite Advisor quiz. Now, if you're like us, when you took the quiz, you may have been a little surprised at where you scored strongest or had the highest score. But if you're also like us, the most surprise came in where we scored the weakest, or as we like to say, areas that give you the most opportunity for improvement. And for you, given your score, that's in the area of investment management. Look, we've been studying advisors for over 10 years, and this is both studying empirically what advisors do and what your pain points are, but also studying advisors in real time. And one thing is for sure, when you look at the difference between what elite advisor behavior looks like for successful advisors versus those that maybe achieve an average result, elite advisors understand that there are opportunity costs for managing portfolios, and that outsourced investment management is a path to focusing on client management and business development, which we consider to be higher order activities or a way to get higher leverage on your time. So we wrote the Elite Advisor Playbook and developed this quiz because we want to help you and advisors like you take steps towards improving your practice. So those were the what, and now we're moving into the how. And so here's just an idea for a next step. If you haven't already, spend some time self-reflecting about what's holding you back from outsourcing your investment management activities. Is it that the investment management part of your business is a personal passion of yours? Maybe you've had it since you were, earlier in your career, or even earlier than that, right? Is it that you fancy yourself as a stock picker? You might be a stock picker that shouldn't be picking stocks because of performance, and maybe one that is excellent at picking stocks, but that really doesn't necessarily translate into building a great advisory business. Is it that you feel that your clients expect you to implement this function of your business, and that in order to justify your management fee, you feel the need to have to do the investment piece? Because otherwise, maybe they ask the question, what is it that you're actually doing for me to justify your 1% or your 90 basis points or your 1.25%? Maybe it's that you haven't found the right partner that fits your needs. Well, step one is getting to the root of the why you're investing so much time on investment management. And once you're clear on the why, we have some resources to help you with next steps. We're working on compiling those for you now and other advisors who are in a similar boat, because trust me, you're not alone. I can tell you that over the last 10 years of working with advisors, this may be one of the most problematic areas for advisors to get over the hump. Of the 4 areas, this is the one that advisors are sometimes most emotionally tied to. And so that's why we're starting with the next step of doing some self-reflection. Now, I'll be in touch soon with suggestions for additional next steps. But until then, I just want to thank you for joining us. Thank you for your attention. Thanks for taking the quiz. If you have any questions about the Elite Advisor Playbook, the quiz itself, or the scoring mechanism, or most importantly, Blueprint's investment strategies or practice management services, please feel free to reach out to us. Until next time, thank you.